Alright, we're gonna start. This is my first in a series of videos called Cooking with Hector. I'm Hector, by the way. The first thing you're gonna want to do is this, Hector, by the way. Oh, you're gonna want to mince the shallots. If you take a look here, I've gone ahead and minced the shallots. Yep.
I missed a couple steps here. I got a little ahead of myself, as you do. I have the tomatoes, and I stemmed the cilantro, as you can see here.
Obviously, guys, the next step is to seed the poblano peppers. You gotta stem them too, and you cut them in half lengthwise. That's what you're gonna want to do. Then we're gonna dice them from there. They can be quite hot. You gotta watch out. Next, you gotta get the gnocchis in the pan. You gotta these little guys gotta get in there. You gotta flip them. You gotta watch out. They get real tasty though. Yeah, my cousin Ernest really loves gnocchi.
Hector, you didn't tell me you were making gnocchis. Oh my god, those look so plump.
Now I got Ernest out of the way. We'll get back to this cooking. We gotta get the stuff in the pan here. We got the shallot, the Pablo pepper, and the corn in there. We're gonna cook that up. We'll put some little cream cheese in there, a little bit of water, some salt and pepper. We're gonna let this simmer up a little bit. I'm telling you, this is gonna be really good.
Hector, did you put the gnocchi in yet?
Jeez, Ernest, well, give me a minute, all right? You put the gnocchi in, and then you put the tomatoes in, and then a little cheese on top, and you stir that bad boy up, take it off the burner. Look at this, we got a nice little melt here. Well, this bowl, this recipe typically cooks for two, but if you happen to be alone for some reason, you can always plate some and put some for work tomorrow.
Hi Hector, big fan, but is this recipe gluten-free?
I'm getting a lot of questions in the comments about whether this is gluten-free, and unfortunately it's not, but it is vegetarian. You can add meat if you want, but it's not gluten-free. Guys, this is Hector one last time. We've been doing this for 100 years in my family. This is the final product here. It looks great, as you can see. Oh, don't look at this. Sorry about that. This is Hector. Have a good...
Yeah, hi, this is Cornelius. I just ate your recipe and I got some poblano juice on my little pecker and it got all swollen and red. I was just wondering if you've experienced this before and what your recommendations would be. Thanks.
Hey, can I get a quick sniff of that gnocchi real quick?